Hello, friends. It's math time. Oh boy, let's continue learning about our 3D shapes today with our 3D shapes book. Let's sing our song first and get ready to name our 3D shapes. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is a building tall. A cylinder is a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Very good, friends. So, do you have your 3D shape book ready? We are going to go ahead and write our name here at the bottom. Practice writing your first and last name with one uppercase letter in your first name and one uppercase letter in your last name. Excellent. So, as you will notice, friends, there are some 3D shapes on the cover of this book. I see a ball, which is a sphere. I see the dice, which is a cube. I can see a can of peas, which is just like the shape of a cylinder. And here's an ice cream cone, the shape of a cone. Now, this is a prism, just like in our song. A prism is a building tall, but a prism can look like a Kleenex box or like a little box of cereal. It has 6 faces, just like a cube, but instead of a square shape, it has more of a rectangle shape, all right? But we will be focusing more on spheres, cubes, cylinders, and cones. So let's go ahead and open our book. And the first page we see is sphere, sphere. When PH get together, they make the f sound, sphere. So here is a sphere, the drawing of a 3D object. And the sphere can be a ball, a globe, and a balloon. A sphere looks like a ball. Yes, it does. A ball, a globe, and a balloon. Why don't we go ahead and color those pictures together? And I know a basketball tends to be orange. And what colors do we see on the globe? Do we see green and blue? Yes, we do. So I'll get a little bit of blue for the ocean. Did you know we live on a sphere? Oh my goodness. And some green for the land. Excellent. And your balloon can be any color you like it to be. Wow, a nice round balloon. So now, friends, we know that all of these things are fat, not flat, just like our song says. They can roll. Spheres can roll everywhere. You found some spheres earlier this week in your home. Now, let's take a look at the next page. Cube. A cube looks like a box. That's right. A cube looks like a box, and this is the figure. 6 faces. Those sides that are flat that look like squares. What else could a cube be? Let's turn this cube into an ice cube. Let's put like a little water drop on it and a little puddle like it's melting. A cube looks like a box or an ice cube or the dice, right? We have yellow, so we can color it yellow, just like the ones we use in math or in small groups. Great job. And even a gift. Have you ever received a gift that is a cube shape? Maybe for your birthday? Very nice. That's our cube. Let's turn the page. Here we have cylinder. And we know the cylinder has two flat faces. One, two, in the shape of a circle. It also has a round side so it can roll and it can stack with other shapes, and we learned it could slide as well. So a cylinder looks like a can. Oh my goodness, maybe a can of peas. That's true. Even maybe the glass you drink water out of. Let's put a little straw in there. We can even color a little bit of water. We can turn this sphere into a glass of water. How neat is that? You can find things, everyday things that remind you of different kinds of 3D shapes. Maybe you have some cans of fruits or veggies in your pantry. You've seen cylinders in your home. Oh, look, a different kind of cup. That looks kind of like maybe our grown-ups coffee cup, huh? We can color any color we like on that. Maybe I'll do some gray and blue. This even might look like a sippy cup, right? Good job, friends. A cylinder looks like a can or a cup, doesn't it? Excellent. Let's see our next page. A cone. Cone. Look, there's long O and Magic Mama E giving all the powers to the O so it can say its name. Cone. A cone looks like an ice cream cone. There it is. It also looks like a party hat, doesn't it? How fun. Have you ever seen an orange working cone out on the streets? Maybe when the people are fixing the roads. Have you ever seen these orange cones out there? Yes, the caution cones. Maybe they have like some little stripes on them. Yes, we can turn this into a caution cone. And an ice cream cone. You can color your ice cream any color you like. Very good. I think I'm gonna have, a nice ice cream. Maybe cherry ice cream. You can color your ice cream any color you like. Good job, friends. Ooh, yummy ice cream. And a party hat is a cone as well. So you can color your party hat any color you like. And you can see that these pages match our song. A cone looks like a party hat, doesn't it? Excellent. Good job, friends. Let's go back and reread our story together. Let's find some sight words, and as we find them, we can butter them up. My 3D Shapes book by, and your name. Okay. Sphere. Don't forget, here we have a sphere. A sphere looks like a ball. Great job, friends. Good reading. Cube. A cube looks like a box. Turn the page. Cylinder. A cylinder looks like a can. Can is a sight word. We use can in the way that we say I can do something, but this is a homonym, right? Can also mean a can of vegetables or a can of fruits or a can of pop. And the last page is cone. A cone looks like an ice cream cone. Wow, great job, friends. So, we have been doing little hunts for shapes. We looked for spheres. We looked for cubes. Let's look for some cylinders today in our home. Do you think you might be able to find some cylinders around your house? Oh, I found a marker. This marker is very much like a cylinder, but it's big and long. How about our glue sticks? Our glue sticks are very much the shape of a cylinder. Ooh, how many of you have bubbles? This bottle of bubbles is round. It can roll and it has 1, 2 flat sides in the shape of a circle. How about our Play-Doh? It is very much like a cylinder as well. And maybe you even have some blocks at home that you like to build with that are cylinders. I hope you have a fun time looking for some cylinders that roll all over the place. Have fun and enjoy looking for your 3D cylinder. Bye, friends.